Hey everyone, this is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart. And in this trade ideas video, I'm going to talk about a trade idea on Solar City where we bought puts to make money when the stock declines. So stay tuned. All right, so here's what we're talking about. A little wave. We caught a little wave in here. This was September 21st in the evening. I said looking to sell. This is just exactly how it is printed. This is an exact copy, as a matter of fact, that comes right off the page, the web page for trade ideas for the insider members on my website. So I said sell at $47.31. Here's the option I suggested. The average true range on the stock is $2.39. That factors into the targets and sometimes on the stops. In this case, I use consecutive closes greater than the 10 exponential moving average. The 10 is the blue line. The 21 simple is the blue-gray. This is the 55 simple, the 233 simple. So the 10 EMA is kind of my trigger line. I'm looking to ride the 10. And so in this case, we got in right here. Here's the day I announced it. Here was the entry day, and here's the entry point, or the level, at $47.31. So now we're in on September 22nd. You can see it happened at 8:45 a.m. Bought to open 3 at 273 ask. I'm always buying at the ask and selling at the bid, not for trade idea purposes only. The whole purpose then is for folks to learn to beat that. This is a worst case scenario. You're buying at the ask and selling at the bid. Okay, so now what happens? Here's target 1, $44.92. The very next day, we're in on this date, very next day, the first target's hit. So we sell the first one at the bid, $380. So we lock in some profit. Not huge, but we got some profit. Now, the second target is hit on the very next day after that, right down here. So we lock in a little more profit. Now the third portion of the position is going to be on a stop at break even or consecutive closes over 10 EMA. If it were to keep trending down, then I would like to try to ride it if I could. But if it starts to pull back up against me, I said, okay, break even. And so it turns out that on the second, on this day, the bid got to the point where the bid and ask, the bid got to the point where I originally entered it at 273, so I exited, okay, at break even. No profit, no loss on that third position. So when you add all three together, it comes up with $379, 46% profit on the trade in 8 trading days. That is a very nice trade. Now, what could I have done a little bit better? Could have had a little tighter stop on that third position. Could have exited on a close above a 2-day high. Could have exited on a 3-day high right in here instead of waiting to all the way back up here. That's what I would do differently. Hope you found that helpful. If you'd like this kind of information, check out the membership page at the website below. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the next video.